G'day folks, welcome to another episode of Stuff and Such. We're working on the oak floor project here. I think I may have it all ready to now mill up the log. Got the blade changed, I got the blade dialed up true. It's about 1/10,000th of an inch run out from front to back, which isn't perfect, but when we're dealing with something as crude as this, I'd say that's better than perfect. I did a cut in the past video of the with the new blade, and it cut pretty good, but it was marking up the side of the wood pretty good, which wasn't a terrible thing. But so I measured the run out of the blade and the angles after fixing that hub, tightening it up a bit. I measured it and it was running out about 100 thou front to back. We now got 10 thou, so pretty good. So fingers crossed, everything should be good to go. Let's find out. Well guys, what do you think of that? Finally. Oh man. It's been a long journey for this log. So we're going to stack these boards up here. They're 1 1/8 by 6 1/4, I think. Nope. 6. Alright, let's get them stacked up and get into the next section. So there's a nice little stack there. 54 board feet. Alright, let's keep after it. Well, isn't that the most beautiful sight you've ever saw? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 boards across. Pretty awesome. So we're going to go ahead and peel those off. Alright folks, that's it for today. I still need to get another log or two. Not quite this big, but reasonably sized. And get them cut up also. The next video we'll have to go into why I can't just go get my log out of the bush anymore. We'll get into that story in the next video. Take care guys.